Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lena.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Adam.
And I'm Lena. We're really happy you're here today.
If you enjoy calm and easy English conversations, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us, and we're thankful you're learning with us.
Today's conversation is about being at the airport.
Yes, today we're talking about at the airport, calm English conversation.
We'll practice simple English you can use when you travel.
So let me ask you something. Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, I like it, but I also feel a little tired.
That's normal. Airports can be busy.
Busy means there are many people and many things to do.
That's right. Busy means not calm.
Today feels busy, but I'm trying to relax.
Relax means calm.
Thank you. I need that today. So, Lena, where are we right now?
We're at the airport.
Yes, we're at the airport early in the morning.
It's about 7 o'clock.
The weather is cool today.
Yes, it's not too hot. That's nice.
I see many people with bags.
Me too. Some people look excited.
Some people look tired, like me.
That's okay, Adam. Traveling can be long.
Lena, can I ask you a question?
Of course. Go ahead.
What do you usually do first at the airport?
First, I check my ticket and passport.
Oh, really?
Yes, I like to be organized.
Organized means everything is ready.
Exactly.
I sometimes forget things.
That can happen.
I have a small problem.
What is it?
I can't find my boarding pass.
Don't worry. Let's check your phone.
Oh, here it is.
Good. Problem solved.
Thank you. You're very helpful.
You're welcome.
Lena, where is the check-in counter?
It's over there, near the big screen.
The big screen shows flight information, right?
Yes, it shows flight numbers and times.
I see our flight.
Great. What time is it?
It's at 9:30.
So we have time.
That makes me feel calm.
Calm is good at the airport.
Can I practice a question?
Sure.
Can I practice a question?
Very good. That sounds natural.
Thank you.
You can also say, "Excuse me, where's the check-in counter?"
Excuse me, where's the check-in counter?
Perfect.
I'm a little hungry.
Me too.
Is there a cafe here?
Yes, there's a small cafe near the gate.
That sounds nice.
You should try a coffee and a sandwich.
Maybe I can do that after check-in.
That's a good plan.
Lena, how do you feel at airports?
I feel calm if I come early.
Early means before the time.
Yes, early is good. Late is stressful.
I don't like to be late.
Me neither.
I hear announcements.
Yes, listen carefully.
They speak fast.
That's true, but don't worry, you can always ask for help.
That makes me feel better. So today we talked about being at the airport.
Yes, and we practiced simple airport English.
We talked about tickets, check-in, and feeling calm.
And we learned useful words like busy, calm, and organized.
This is very helpful.
I'm glad.
Now I think it's time to go to the check-in counter.
Yes, and after that, we can go to the gate.
I wonder what happens next at the airport.
Let's find out together.
Okay, Lena, we're standing in line now.
Yes, this is the check-in line.
The line is long.
It is, but it's moving slowly.
Slowly is okay. I'm not in a hurry.
That's a good feeling to have at the airport.
Lena, can I ask another question?
Of course.
What do we say to the staff at check-in?
You can say, "Hello, here is my passport."
Hello, here is my passport.
Very good, clear and polite.
Thank you. The staff member looks busy.
Yes, but they're usually friendly.
I hope so.
Don't worry, just speak slowly.
Oh, it's our turn now.
Okay, go ahead.
Hello, here is my passport.
Great job.
They're asking me a question.
What did they ask?
Do you have any bags?
You can answer, "Yes, I have one bag."
Yes, I have one bag.
Perfect.
The bag is heavy.
Heavy means not light.
Yes, it's not light at all.
That's okay, they will take it.
Goodbye, bag.
See you later.
I got my boarding pass now.
Great. Please check the gate number.
Gate 24.
Good. Remember that number.
Gate 24.
Very good.
What do we do next?
Next, we go to security.
Security sounds serious.
It's normal. Just follow the rules.
Rules make me nervous.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
I see signs everywhere.
Yes, signs are helpful.
This one says security check.
That's the right place.
Lena, can I bring water?
No, you can't bring water.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's okay, you can buy water later.
Good to know. There are trays here.
Yes, put your bag and jacket in the tray.
Like this?
Yes, that's right.
And my phone?
Yes, put your phone in the tray too.
Okay. This is a small problem.
What is it?
I forgot to take off my belt.
That happens. Take it off now.
Okay, problem solved again.
You're learning fast.
The security staff is waving me through.
That means you can walk.
I walked too fast.
It's okay. Just relax.
Relax means calm.
Yes, exactly.
We're through security now.
Great job.
That wasn't too bad.
See? You did fine.
I feel hungry again.
Me too.
Should we get food now?
Yes, we have time.
What do you recommend?
You should try a light meal.
Light means not heavy.
Correct.
Maybe a sandwich and juice.
That sounds nice.
I like this cafe.
It's calm and clean.
Calm places make me happy.
Me too.
What time is it now?
It's 8:15.
So we still have time.
Yes, boarding starts at 9.
Boarding means getting on the plane.
Exactly.
Can I practice another question?
Sure.
When does boarding start?
Very good question.
Thank you. So today we talked about check-in and security.
Yes, and we practiced polite questions and answers.
We also learned words like heavy, light, and relax.
And we solved small problems calmly.
That feels good. I hear another announcement.
Yes, I think it's about our flight.
Should we go to the gate now?
Yes, let's walk to gate 24.
I wonder what happens when boarding starts.
We'll talk about that next.
Okay, Lena, we're walking to the gate now.
Yes, this is gate 24.
I see many people sitting.
They're waiting to board.
Waiting is okay. I can sit and rest.
That's a good idea.
The chairs are comfortable.
Yes, and it's quiet here.
Quiet means not loud.
Exactly. Quiet places are relaxing.
Relaxing feels good before a flight.
I agree.
Lena, can I ask something simple?
Of course.
Where do I sit on the plane?
Your seat number is on the boarding pass.
Oh, I see it. Seat 18A.
Great. That's a window seat.
Window seat sounds nice.
You can look outside.
I like looking at the sky.
Me too. It's calming.
The sky looks clear today.
Yes, the weather is good.
Good weather makes me feel safe.
That's understandable.
I hear people talking about groups.
Yes, they board by groups.
What is my group?
It says Group B.
Group B. Okay, I'll remember.
Good.
I'm a little confused.
What's wrong?
When do we stand up?
When they call your group.
Oh, I see.
Listen for Group B.
Okay, I'm listening. I hear people talking about Group A.
Yes, so we wait.
Waiting again?
Waiting is part of traveling.
True, I'm okay with it. Lena, can I practice a sentence?
Sure.
Excuse me, is this the right gate?
That's very good. Polite and clear.
Thank you.
You can also say, is this gate 24?
Is this gate 24?
Perfect.
Oh, they're calling Group B now.
That's us. Let's stand up.
I feel a little excited.
That's normal.
Excited means happy and nervous.
Yes, both together.
We are walking to the plane.
Show your boarding pass here.
Like this?
Yes, that's right.
The staff member smiled.
That's nice.
The plane looks big.
It is. Planes are amazing.
I agree.
Let's go inside.
The aisle is narrow.
Narrow means not wide.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome.
I see seat numbers above.
Yes, follow them.
Here is 18A.
Great, that's your seat.
I'll put my bag above.
That's the overhead bin.
Overhead means above my head.
Exactly.
Oh, small problem again.
What happened?
My bag is too big.
Don't worry, try turning it sideways.
Like this?
Yes.
It fits now.
Problem solved.
I'm sitting down.
Make yourself comfortable.
The seat is okay.
Good.
I like the window.
I'm glad.
People are still boarding.
Yes, it takes time.
Time feels slow here.
You can take a deep breath.
Deep breath helps me relax.
That's a good habit.
The flight attendant is talking.
They're giving instructions.
Instructions are important.
Yes, listen carefully.
I'll listen. I hear words like seatbelt.
Seatbelt keeps you safe.
Safety is important.
Always.
So today we talked about boarding the plane.
Yes, and finding your seat.
We practiced waiting, listening, and asking questions.
And we learned words like narrow, overhead, and excited.
This feels useful.
I'm happy to hear that.
The doors are closing now.
That means we're almost ready.
I wonder what happens during the flight.
We'll talk about that next.
Okay, Lena, we're sitting on the plane now.
Yes, we are. Everything looks ready.
I hear a soft sound.
That's the plane preparing to move.
Preparing means getting ready.
Exactly.
I feel a little nervous.
That's normal.
How do you stay calm?
I take slow breaths.
Slow breaths help the body relax.
Yes, they do.
The seatbelt sign is on.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Like this?
Yes, click it in.
Done.
Good job.
The plane is moving now.
Yes, we're taxiing.
Taxiing means moving on the ground.
Correct.
I didn't know that word before.
Now you do.
I can see other planes outside.
Me too.
It's interesting to watch.
Watching helps pass the time.
Pass the time means make time feel shorter.
Exactly.
The plane is stopping.
Yes, we're waiting again.
Waiting happens a lot today.
That's true. Airports and planes need patience.
Patience means waiting calmly.
Very good.
The engine sound is louder now.
That means we're getting ready to take off.
Take off means go into the air.
Yes,
I'll hold the armrest.
that's okay.
We're moving fast.
Yes, faster and faster.
Oh, we're in the air.
We are.
Wow.
It's always special.
I feel excited now.
Excited can feel nice.
Yes, I feel happy.
Look outside.
The city looks small.
Everything looks different from above.
The seatbelt sign is still on.
Yes, keep it on for now.
Okay.
Safety first.
The plane feels smooth.
Smooth means not bumpy.
That's good.
Very good.
I'm starting to feel relaxed.
I'm glad.
Traveling is easier with help.
Helping each other makes things better.
The flight attendant is coming.
Yes, they're checking seatbelts.
She smiled again.
Smiles make people feel welcome.
I agree. Lena, how long is this flight?
It's about 2 hours.
2 hours is not too long.
Yes, it's a short flight.
Short means not long.
Correct.
I'm getting a little thirsty.
They will bring drinks soon.
That's good.
You can ask politely if you need something.
How do I ask?
You can say, "Excuse me, may I have some water?"
Excuse me, may I have some water?
Perfect. Very polite.
The drink cart is coming.
Yes, here it is.
I'll ask now.
Go ahead.
Excuse me, may I have some water?
Well done.
Here's my water.
Great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I feel better now.
Sometimes water helps a lot.
Yes, it does. People around us are quiet.
Many people rest on flights.
Rest means relax your body.
Exactly.
Maybe I'll rest too.
That's a good idea.
Before I rest, can we do a small recap?
Of course.
Today we talked about being on the plane.
Yes, and taking off safely.
We learned words like taxiing, smooth, and patience.
And we practiced polite requests.
This is very useful English.
I'm happy you think so.
I think I'll close my eyes for a bit.
Okay, I'll do the same.
I wonder what happens when we land.
We'll talk about that soon.
Okay, Lena, I just woke up.
Welcome back.
Thank you. I feel rested now.
That's good. Rest helps during travel.
I hear a sound again.
Yes, the captain is speaking.
I hear the word landing.
Landing means the plane is going down to the ground.
Oh, I see.
We'll arrive soon.
The seatbelt sign is on again.
Yes, please fasten your seatbelt.
Done.
Good.
I can feel the plane going down slowly.
That's normal.
I feel calm this time.
I'm glad.
Calm traveling feels nice.
It really does.
The plane touched the ground.
Yes, we landed.
That was smooth.
Smooth landings are the best.
I agree. People are clapping softly.
Some people do that when they're happy.
I feel happy too.
Me too.
The plane is moving slowly again.
Yes, we're taxiing to the gate.
Taxiing again. I remember that word.
Very good.
Lena, what do we do after we get off the plane?
First, we follow the signs.
Which signs?
Signs for arrivals and baggage claim.
Baggage claim is where we get our bags.
Exactly.
The seatbelt sign is off now.
Yes, we can stand up soon.
People are standing already.
Let's wait calmly.
Waiting calmly is better.
Yes, no rush.
Okay, we're leaving the plane now.
Follow the line.
The airport here looks clean.
Yes, and bright.
Bright means full of light.
Correct.
I see many signs in English.
That's helpful for travelers.
English is very useful here.
Yes, simple English helps a lot.
Oh, here is immigration.
Yes, this is where they check passports.
I feel a little nervous again.
That's normal. Just answer simply.
Okay. The officer asked, "Why are you here?"
You can say, I'm here for vacation.
I'm here for vacation.
Good. Clear and simple.
Now they say, "Welcome."
That's nice to hear.
Yes, very nice. Now we're at baggage claim.
Let's wait for your bag.
I see many bags.
Look for yours carefully.
Mine is black.
Black is easy to see.
Oh, there it is.
Great. Pick it up.
Got it.
Perfect.
One small problem.
What is it?
The bag is heavy again.
You can use a trolley.
That's a good idea.
You should always use help when needed.
Yes, that helps my back. Now we're walking to the exit.
Yes, we're almost done.
The trip feels complete.
You did very well today.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Can we do a final recap?
Of course.
Today we talked about the airport.
Yes, from check-in to landing.
We practiced calm English conversations.
And we learned useful travel words.
We also practiced polite questions.
And simple answers.
I feel more confident now.
That's great to hear.
Traveling feels easier with simple English.
That's our goal.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
We hope this topic helped you feel more confident at the airport.
Thanks for learning English with us.
Keep practicing a little every day.
Take care, everyone.
See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. English Official
And keep learning with us. Bye-bye.